Good morning everyone. My name is Tanishka Rishikesh Kulkarni, Standard 6, Division A Sir, School MS English Medium School Shirva, Taluka Khanda, District Satara. Today I am going to tell about water and elixir of our life. Do you know which liquid on our earth is very precious? Yes, it's water. Water is used for many purposes like drinking, washing, cooking, bathing, etc. But do you know how many percent of water is available for drinking? Yes, 0.3%. See how little amount of water is available for drinking. Some people kept open the tap while washing their clothes or cleaning their utensils or brushing their teeth. Some people use showers but not bucket. We have to use bucket while bathing. Because of bucket, limited water is taken. Related to this, there is one story of a village. There was one village. In that village, there lived one boy who is telling frequently that don't waste water. Water is very precious, but villagers are not listening to that boy and wasting water again and again. There is some problem, so water can't reach to that village. On the second day, the volume of water is decreased, and on the third day, there is nothing on the tap. All villagers are worried. What happened? They realized their mistake and went to that boy. They confront their mistake. Moral: don't waste water. Water is very precious, and water is elixir of our life. The root of a plant hold the soil firm. Due to this, when there is heavy rain or flood, there is not soil erosion in large quantity. From this, what we understand, there is close relation between trees and water. There are three states of water available on Earth: solid, liquid, and gaseous. The water cycle, which goes on continuously, are in three processes: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose invented one device called crystograph. This crystograph is used to measure the growth of plants. Related to this, there is one story of a village. This village is in Bengal. There, in that village, there was one temple. Near to that temple, there is big palm tree. This palm tree bows in evening when the bell rings to pray the god. All villagers are thinking this is God's magic. But when Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose watched this problem and said, this is not God's magic. This happens when there is sunrise, the temperature becomes hot, and when there is sunset, the temperature becomes low. This happens periodically, and this happens in many trees. From these two stories, what we understand that water is very essential for us. Living beings can live without food, but not without water. Living beings, living things need water for living. Trees gives us oxygen for living. Without oxygen, we cannot live. Trees gives us many things like fruits, vegetables, medicines and etc. But what we are doing? We are cutting the trees. We are wasting the water in many purposes. Because of these, there are many diseases. The coronavirus is disease is formed by the cutting the trees or wasting the water. From when we go outside, we see many waste are are many waste are in land, but from these There are many diseases are coming. Coronavirus is big disease. For this, we have to avoid cutting the trees or wasting the water. Thank you.